Hey Dewdrops, it's Diane from CoraVina. Welcome back. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're having a really good day. So, we are water marbling paper all week. Are you ready? They're all Christmas themed. Let me show you here. This is our inspiration for today. What do you think about these colors? They are literally very spicy, right? Okay, so I like this because it does remind me of mulled wine, and that is one of my favorite things, all right? So, let's get started. Okay, so here is some light gold. Got a little bit of a darker shade. Got a darker brown. It's not really a brown, it's kind of a burnt sienna. This is a red. And then we've got our black. All right, so this black will probably show up a little kind of black gray. So we'll see how it goes. I think it's going to be pretty. We don't have a lot of papers in this color, and I'm always up for a new challenge, all right? So let's see if we can make this. All right, here we go, Dewdrops. Let me switch your view. All right, let's get started. Why not? Let's start with our black again. See our black dissipate over the surface of the water. Very nice. You know what? Let's add a little bit more black in here. Gonna have a lot of black. It's gonna show up nicely with our gold, I think. So let's come in, maybe we'll pick a middle tone. I don't know. Let's try this. Let's go from the inside out. I said that and now I'm regretting it. Let's see. Let me keep track of where I've been, what colors I have used. We're going to come in here with our lightest yellow. Oh man, it looks so pretty. Hope it doesn't clog up. That would be so sad. All right, so that's interesting. Looking pretty good. Let's do a little bit of this. Should we dip it like this? I don't want to dip it like this because I am afraid that it won't be bold enough. And you know we like bold colors here. Okay, so I got that one. Let's do it all over again. Let's see what happens. I know what's going to happen. It's going to push our black out and then it's not going to look very much like the picture, but I think that's a risk that we shall have to take here, Dewdrops. One more nice pretty color. Reminds me very much of a fire, nice warm roasty fire. We haven't had to have one here in Cincinnati. You know, it's a little chilly, but it's been nice so far. All right, I'm really loving these colors right now, guys. So what shall we do? All right, we're gonna put our tools in the tray and we're gonna start maneuvering our paint like we normally do. I'm going to try and slow down and I'm going to bring it back. When you're marbling, you do not want to rush through it, you know, super crazy, because the faster you move, the more paint you are disturbing. So we want to go nice and slow. All right, so here we come with our fine tooth comb. See if we can get some pretty fine water marbling patterns here today. You can really see the black on the outside, very fiery, but our paper is not that wide, so alas. I'm not sure if the black is going to show up or not, but I do like it. All right, so I've got something different. Let's see if it works, okay? We're going to go nice and slow. See if we can get kind of a frog foot pattern. I've seen it called that before. I think it's working. I like it very much. All right, very interesting. I like this one. Let's dip down some paper and see what we can get here. All right, so we're only going to have the black on the outside, which is kind of a bummer. Maybe we'll do it halfsies. So if we do it in the middle, we won't get a lot of black at all. All right, let's lower down our paper. Oh, I'm going to get some disturbance marks on here. That's a bummer. All right. Ooh, look at that. So we've got the black on one side. The light is really killing me, so you can't, you've got really a disturbed view. There we go. Isn't that pretty? I like the pattern. It looks, a little bit jagged, kind of like our spices here. All right, so let me set this aside. Ooh, I can't wait to see that one dry. That's a very, very, earth tony and fireplacey and fall, right? I think so. Okay, so what happens next is I dry the paper, then I iron it, and then I take pictures so you can see it, and here it is. Do you like it? Kind of different, right? Oh, I can't wait to see it. I hope it turns out well. I think the colors actually look really well. I'm excited about that. All right, Dewdrops. So, did you go to CoraVina.com? Did you get a good deal on a scarf? I hope you did, because that is ending very soon. Tonight, as a matter of fact, if this is playing on Wednesday, the sale ends tonight. Go to Cora-Vina.com for that. It's 40% off scarves for the perfect, cozy, live colorfully gift that you need for that special someone. All right, so if you're interested in learning how to water marble, you should head over to CoraVina.com. Hopefully I have a place for you to post your email, send me your email so I can fill you in on our water marbling blog that is going to be happening soon, and any upcoming water marbling classes online that I may be having. All right, cross your fingers for me. I'm hoping good things. All right, Dewdrops, it's Diane from CoraVina. Come back tomorrow. We're going to make some more beautiful Christmas-themed water marble paper. All right, take care, live colorfully, like, comment, share, or subscribe to this video because it really helps me out. Okay, bye guys.